Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, what about my people? Dancehall skilla there again, you know? Manners and respect to each and every one. Yeah, blessed to all of my Caribbean people. Big up and respect to each and every one who watch Dancehall Skilla channel worldwide. Okay, so my people, first up, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police or law enforcers went at a location for at least one person. In the video, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said to someone, "You are a police officer." My people, when I hear that part of the video, I start to wonder certain things. I wonder what could have caused a situation like that. So I could look and listen to the video and see if we can get some form of understanding as to what might have caused that type of situation. Observe with me.
Silly.
Wait, you need my silly? Okay. Am I?
Where you going? Come to me, come to me.
Okay, what's running?
No, investigation. Good, come.
I remember me.
I remember you, but I just asked you your name.
Right.
I have a reason for it.
Do it again.
Do again? Right, simple, right? Drop. I remember you, but that's not
Right, you
No, you come now, you come. You're my property, you come now. Because I'm trying to understand.
I want to know what's going on here.
Yeah.
Right? Right? No, look, come boy, because I don't understand. I working with all the time, but I'm the energy I getting. This is crazy, you know.
Just now.
Over the years, right? Over the years. Over the years,
what's that?
No,
What's your name?
Over the years, right?
What's your
Over the
name?
years, I have been helping
What's your name?
Sergeant Philip, Corporal Philip, many times. Right? With all kind of people.
No,
like
he's not obstructing. We asking questions. We in our place.
No, this is what they always treat me, brother. From a pest, a little pest in the community, that's all they treat me by.
Who y'all came to? If you don't mind me asking.
That's all they treat me, brother.
Come to speak to the gentleman.
No,
This gentleman here?
Right here, right
Well, look him here.
Talk to me.
If you stay inside there, the police wouldn't be able to do what it is they have to do.
You listen,
What y'all
speaking
came
to
to
me
do?
as though I'm a civilian, right? And I do appreciate that, right?
No,
Just talk, just be real with me. Just be real with me now. Just be real with me now. Right? Because I deal with that situation and that is a sweet thing, right? And they all treating me. Right? These are all treating me, right? This is why I try to understand.
Where's who?
This is why I try to understand. And now there's a sweet thing. Or they could have did me simple, or they could have called me to come in the station, you know. Or they come by my place for what by embarrass me in a community that I try in my best to deal with by. That's not nice now, no brother man me by. No brother man me with all the respect, no brother man me.
You are a police officer.
Right, and all they treating me like a civilian. Right? You tell me to come down in my yard. Right? I don't understand that. Or they could have called me in the station. Or they could have called me to come in the station. What kind of embarrassing thing is this for a little pest in the community, right?
I don't understand what all this police coming in my place here for today.
I help all the charges youth man many times. I help all the charges youth man many times.
Yeah,
right?
boy.
And this all they treating me, right? Like a civilian, right?
This is crazy.
I finished work this morning. If all they wanted to come from, they could have take me one time.
Johnny,
Or they could have
Johnny,
talk to my seniors everything.
forget it.
I don't understand that.
Johnny,
Johnny.
leave it. Yeah, go ahead.
Do that. Move. Yes, sir. No. That is not what they do. Because only can I call me to come in the station normal. Only they come on my place, boy, is a little person in the
but
community.
what I'm saying is what.
You know, I can understand what the person has said. You know, I mean, based on how the situation is set, you know, it can be embarrassing. And look on the amount of them who got the location, them people. Nah, I don't know. If that is really and truly a police to police type of situation, as to me, I think, well, that look away right there, so you know. Now, on to the topic, my people. I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that shows some things that happened when a person was being restrained by police or law enforcers. It is said that these pieces of videos have been recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. And in my point of view, it seems as if the person was resisting at least one point. There was some exchange of words between the person and the police, and then the situation escalated to a point where there was shoving and pushing between the person and law enforcers or police or so on. Is what I said. And then the situation reached to a point where a person who was not wearing a certain type of police uniform hit the person who had been held by police with an object more than one time. It was at the point where the person hit the person with the object while they were at the back of a police service motor vehicle. Because at one point, the person had been placed at the back of the police service motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers, by police or so on. So I say, I don't have any confirmed information to determine why the person had been held by police or what might have caused a situation like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to present one of those pieces of videos to you that shows some things that happen when it comes down to the situation, but there's no audio in this video. And then I'm going to present the other video to you where you can actually hear audio in that video. So here's the first video about the situation. And please bear in mind, viewers and subscribers, that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Something happened, but what caused that situation? That's a question. This is what I want, some people. Alright, hold on now. Here I'm going to present the other piece of video about the same situation, and in this video you can hear an audio in this video. And viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. So eventually, the police motor vehicle had been driven away with the person and the police at the back of the police motor vehicle and inside the motor vehicle and so forth. You see what I say? And while the motor vehicle was being driven, or the motor vehicle was in some type of a motion, the person hit the person with that thing. In my point of view, that thing looked like a helmet, But, anyways, the people, do you think police handle that situation properly or not? And what do you think about the person's behavior who had been held by police? The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, had been recorded within Jamaica. The next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a truck crashed in Portland, Jamaica. It is said that the truck hit a structure that is said to be a business place. According to a news report that I listened to, it is said that at least one person died as a result of the incident. According to a news report that I listened to, it is said that a person died as a result of the accident. Now, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a badly damaged motor vehicle. This is really and truly a sad situation. And I want to say to each and every motorist, please drive safely for yourself and for others and be very careful out there. The people, let me know what to think about a situation like this. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Observe.
I want a little shop.
Eh?
A little shop.
Yeah, man, I want to thank well. Thank well, you have been good stuff, man. But you just got to lock up.
Take it not too fast.
Yeah, man. If this lick up in and the door them busting or that, you know, we hope you reach. That's video you are telling me,
Vita. Accident in Orange Bay, guys. One Tankwell truck turnover out here. Wow, lot of blood on the ground. Right at the deep corner where we turn go walk lane. Walk there.
No, I did that. No. Oh, you said for the truck. I was just flying back here. Oh. Get in a picture. Misunderstand. All right, cool.
Guys, if you're running at the bar, you can see it. Firefighters are out also.
So I think it is more than obvious. By certain things that you can see in the video that police and firefighters arrive at the location. That really and truly set away though. Alright, so to each and every motorist, be very careful out there, drive safely for yourself and for others. The people, I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Let me know what to think about all those topics and videos that I presented to you in this video. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.